Trapped in a fierce blizzard, this man is completely isolated in a secluded cabin high in the mountains. Outside, the wind howls relentlessly amidst the thick snow, and there is virtually no sign of life or escape route. To survive the harsh winter night in the icy wilderness, he must chop wood himself in the snow, build a fire, and cook entirely with a wood-burning stove in his cabin, which is off the power grid. Amidst the constant pounding of the wind against the wooden walls, the crackling of the fire in the fireplace, and the crunching of snow underfoot, this small cabin becomes his only shelter from the winter storm engulfing the entire mountain.